In recent weeks, tensions between India and Pakistan have escalated. At the center of this dispute is Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri's strong rebuttal of Pakistan's claim regarding the downing of Indian jets. Misri's words carry weight, especially in a time when misinformation can shape international perceptions. During a press conference, Misri dismissed Pakistan's assertions of shooting down Indian aircraft. He emphasized that Pakistan's pattern of deception is not new. He traced this dishonesty back to 1947, when Pakistan made false claims about Jammu and Kashmir to the United Nations. This history of lying has been consistent over the past 75 years. Misri also addressed another claim, stating that Pakistan alleged India targeted the Neelam Jhelum Dam in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, POK. He categorically denied these allegations, labeling them as fabrications. India has only targeted terrorist infrastructure, he stated. Misri warned that if these claims serve as a precursor for Pakistan's aggression, they will bear full responsibility for the consequences that follow. The Foreign Secretary highlighted Pakistan's long-standing reputation as a hub for terrorism. He remarked, Pakistan is the epicenter of terrorism, reminding everyone of Osama bin Laden's presence in the country. Misri pointed out that Pakistan hosts numerous terrorists listed by the United Nations and other countries. Recently, Pakistani leaders have even acknowledged their country's ties to such groups. India's recent military actions, specifically under Operation Sindoor, reflect a proactive stance against terrorism. In response to the deadly Pahalgam attack, which resulted in 26 fatalities, Indian forces executed precise strikes on terror camps. In a highly sensitive geopolitical climate, Misri's statements reaffirm India's position against perceived threats. His clarity exposes Pakistan's attempts to skew narratives. As the situation develops, it is crucial for the international community to discern fact from fiction. In summary, Misri's remarks serve as a reminder of the ongoing challenges in Indo-Pak relations. The dialogue remains charged as both nations navigate this tense landscape. We encourage viewers to stay informed and engaged in understanding these complex issues. For more updates, subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments below.